In this video, I will be analyzing the new Bybit upgrade on MT5. Log into your Bybit, then click on search, click on the search option, then search for MT5 like so. Yeah, you can see I already have it on my search history, but for you, new person, okay, you can see it will now bring you to this interface. And you scroll down, click on create MT5 account. You can see it forex/crypto/gold/oil. So click on create MT5 account. After clicking, you can see up to 500x leverage with 0 pips spread. Oh, like I traded on this platform yesterday. Like the spread was really amazing and impressive. For gold, funny enough, the spread Bybit charge for gold is 0.7 compared to other brokers which charge 60 cents, 0.70 thereabout. So you can go through their terms and conditions on your own time. I'll just click on next. So it will bring you to this next interface. After clicking on create MT5 master account, you now put your password here. Create an account. You use a password. Don't forget to use an unforgettable password. Write it down somewhere. So should in case you don't have a Bybit account yet, use the link in the description to get an account with Bybit, or use this invitation code which is 51519 and get started. Okay, you can see now my account has been set. Yeah, so all I will need to do now is just copy this Bybit Live, which is the server name, go to my MT5 and insert it. Okay, come to MT5 like so. Click on the add option, then insert that Bybit server on it, Bybit Live. Yeah, it will bring you to this Infra Capital Limited Bybit. So you click on it. Yeah, then you insert your login. Go back and copy your logins. Yeah, so now you have your Bybit Live account on your MT4. On your MT5. You get. So I will keep you guys posted when I start trading on them. Watch out for my next video, which I will drop after this, showing you guys where I live traded on this MT5 platform. Thank you guys. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button. See you guys on the next video.